Okay, are you excited?
No.
Why not? You think you can do it?
No.
Right. So, okay, here you go. And okay, good luck.
Why don't you put the house keys in there?
Because.
Bring it in.
So, what are you doing now?
This is how you turn it on. And then
And then. You need to-
I'm so scared. It's so loud. I'm gonna scare the baby.
Go. Whoa. Are you scared?
Huh?
Are you scared?
Yeah, I got scared. It's too loud. Guys, next year I'm learning how to ride a bike. We're saving up to get my
Grabe ang
Ninja
ingay pala, guys.
500.
It's too loud. Okay.
Right, babe?
Huh?
Ninja 500.
Yeah.
It's the only
So,
bike that
what do you
fits my
think?
height. Huh?
What do you think?
I like it. Cold starts are just very loud.
Yeah. Yung cold start ang ingay lang talaga, guys. Pero a few minutes, okay na siya. Hindi naman siya ganun kaingay. Bro, wow.
So cool.
No, it's not. Good job.
Pag-on pa lang sa bike, proud
You did a
na.
good job. Napastart niyo yung bike natin, guys. Ang galing. Huwag na baka may magalit ng mga kapitbahay. Chill muna tayo. So, yun lang, guys. Peace out. Sa next vlog naman, ano kayang vlog naman natin next time? We'll see. Kita-kita na lang next time. Alright, guys. See you next time.
Oh,